Hello friends, I'm Manoj Zade from Akot. Today in active passive voice we are going to learn the passive construction of past continuous tense, but this is negative. The passive construction of past continuous tense, but this is negative. So how to make the passive voice of past continuous tense? If the given sentence is past continuous tense, how to make the passive voice of that sentence? I have given you one construction over here, and the construction is like this: object, then was verb, then not, then been, then V3, then by, and then S2. Now the question arises, when do we use was and when do we use verb? The answer is very easy. If the subject is singular, we use was, and if the subject is plural, we use verb. So object, was verb, not, being, V3, by, and S2. S2 means accusative case of the subject or objective case of the subject. And in passive voice, we have to always use V3, or we can say past participle, third form of the verb. Now I have given here some examples one by one. We will take the answers of them. Here are some examples. The man was not accepting our challenges, so it is must for us. Initially, in the beginning, it is must for us to identify which is the object, which is the subject, and which is the verb in the given sentence. The man was not accepting all challenges. The man, this is subject, was not accepting, this is verb, and all challenges, this is object. How to identify the object? It is very easy. Ask the question to the verb either with what or whom. If the persons are there, we will ask questions with whom, and if the things are there, we ask the questions with what. So here are challenges. These are the things. So obviously we will ask question over here with what? To the verb. The man was not accepting our challenges. What was the man not accepting? What was the man not accepting? We get the answer, and that answer is our challenges. So the object is object or challenges or challenges. This is plural. So after object we have used, after plural subject we will use verb or challenges verb plus not plus being. Now V3, accepted and by the man. There is no S2, so it should be as it is, by the man. I repeat it. First we use object, so our challenges, this is object. Then either was or verb, so this is plural, that's why verb plus not plus being plus V3 plus by, and then S2 of the subject. The next sentence is, they were not reading storybooks. What were they not reading? What were they not reading? We get the answer, and that answer is storybooks. So storybooks, this is object. They, this is subject. Were not reading, this is verb. So while writing answer we take object. So the object is the storybooks only. Storybooks. This is plural, that's why we will use verb. Storybooks, verb plus not plus B plus B3. Read, red, red. By that, it will convert into them. Storybooks were not being read by them. I repeat it. While writing answer, first we use object. The object is storybooks. This is plural. That's why we have used verb. Plus not. Plus being. Plus V3. Plus by. And then this is the accusative case of they. Now the next sentence. My friends were not helping me earlier. My friends. This is subject. Were not helping. This is verb. Me. This is object number 1. And earlier. This is object number 2. Here. This is person. So we will ask question with whom. Whom were my friends not helping? I repeat it. Whom were my friends not helping me? So we got the object, that is me. This is object number 1 and earlier this is object number 2. Object number 2, it should be written after V3 or at the end of the sentence. So first me. When we write in the beginning of the sentence, always we have to take the nominative form. So me will convert here into I plus was plus not plus V3 then help. This is the V3. Now after V3 we will use object number 2. I was not being helped earlier by my friends. It should be as it is my friends. I repeat it. Me, it will convert into I. Then singular, that's why was plus not plus being plus V3. After V3 we have used object number 2 plus by and S2. There is no S2 of my friends. Next sentence is here. The coach was not guiding the players daily. Here the coach, this is subject, was not guiding. This is verb. The players, this is object number 1 and daily, this is object number 2. So again we will ask question with whom. Whom was the coach not guiding? I repeat it. Whom was the coach not guiding? We get the answer, that is the player. So it is object number 1. The players. This is plural. That's why we will write were. The players were plus not plus being plus V3 guided. After V3 we will use object number 2. The players were not being guided daily by the coach. It should be as it is by the coach. Very easy. Object plural, that's the verb, plus not plus being plus V3. Object number 2 by and accusative or objective case of the subject. The coach, it should be as it is. So really this is very easy. If we keep in our mind the construction which is object was were not being V3 by and S2. If we keep in our mind properly, definitely whichever the sentence it may be, we can write the answers of them very easily. I hope and I am sure you must have understood all these things very properly and carefully. So let us stop over here. Thank you very much.